Managing inventory isn't just about keeping products in stock. It's also about making sure branches can request products when needed, return excess stock when necessary, and keep everything properly tracked and labeled. In this lesson, we'll explore how to create product orders, process inventory returns, and generate barcode labels, helping you keep inventory operations organized across your business. Let's start with product orders. From products, open product, orders a select create now, click the plus icon to add a request. Choose the product, enter the quantity and select whether it's for retail or in-house use. You can add multiple products to the same request if needed. Once you're done, click Save. The order is now created and sent to the warehouse. Now let's switch to the warehouse side. Open Pending Orders. Open the order to review the requested products and quantities. Click Transfer. Enter the quantity to be delivered. Add notes if needed and click Save. The products are now transferred to the branch and the order status is updated accordingly. Next, let's look at return orders. If a branch needs to send products back to the warehouse, go to Products, then Return Order and select Inventory Return. Choose a product, enter the quantity you want to return, add a note if needed and click Return. Then the return request is now sent to the warehouse. On the warehouse side, open Return Report. Here you can review all return requests from branches. Open the request and either accept or reject it. If accepted, you can enter a confirmation message and click Submit. Once approved, the return stock is automatically added back to warehouse inventory. Back in Return Order Report, the branch can track the status of all return requests and view completed returns. Finally, let's look at barcode labels. Open Print Barcode Label, select the product and choose how many labels you'd like to generate. You can customize the label by selecting which details to display. Once everything is configured, click Update. Salonist instantly generates the barcode labels ready to print or save for later use. And that's how you can manage product requests, returns, and barcode labels with Salonist.